even shown that after regular use of acupressure mats for 2 weeks, 98% of patients experienced pain relief and 96% felt more relaxed. Let's hear what some of our very own users thought.
This feels really good.
Feel it like on your neck, on your back.
Wow. I can see myself using this on a daily basis.
I actually get some kind of satisfaction out of laying on a mat and feeling like my muscles actually relax.
These words correspond to where you feel relief in your body. That's wild. It's like a really, really interesting sensation.
This revolutionary product is made using the highest quality materials, and it comes in 5 different colors. Use it anywhere you want. In the office, while sitting in your chair, while traveling, in the kitchen, post-exercise, or